Hey guys, welcome to Listed. This is episode number 31.
0031, brought to you by Okaloosa Gas.
That's Andrew.
Hi, I could have introduced myself.
Yeah, you could have, but I did it for you, so you didn't say 00 Andrew. And I'm Ashley, guys. We're happy that you're here with us. Andrew, how was your week?
It was fantastic. It's a little weird start to this. How was your week?
My week, it's been good, but you know, I've got some projects going on at the house.
Some projects, okay, hold on.
Yes, take a drink, because it's a long story. There's a lot of stuff that I need done at my house, and I mean, I can't do it myself, because let's face facts. And so I haven't known if I should call a handyman or a contractor. For like the specific jobs that need to be done.
You bring up a good point. Like, who do you call for all of this stuff?
Who do you call? And that's where we come in, guys. We decided to bring you Ryan Simas from Beachside Maintenance and Repair. Welcome, Ryan.
Hey.
Hello.
Hi. Skyping in all the way from Destin. You guys, Destin to Fort Walton is so far.
It's like 20 minutes.
Right? No, for Kimberly, I think it would be 5.
But I can get from Crestview to Fort Walton in 20 minutes from the south side of Crestview.
Oh, that's true.
That's awesome. Hey, Ryan, welcome though.
So Ryan, let's start off right from the beginning. Right?
Let's start at the very beginning.
Wish I could unhear that. What are the differences between a handyman and a contractor?
Well, what we can do. So let's say we're talking about electrical and plumbing. You would think maybe that's just for an electrician or a plumber, but it's pretty much what you can do from the wall out. So if I can turn a light switch off, I can now replace that light by turning off that light switch. If I have to go to the fuse panel, I can't touch it. If I have to go inside of the wall, I can't touch it. Or from the outlet out, that would work.
Gotcha. I didn't know.
Same with plumbing. So if there's a shutoff valve going to a plumbing fixture, I can replace it. If it's got to require shutting off the main to the water supply to the plumbing, I cannot touch it. So that would include cabinets. I can do cabinetry, flooring. I can't change the structure of the house. So these kinds of things.
Awesome. So the wall's the big barrier. I never would have thought that.
There are barriers between handyman and contractors.
That's right.
We build good walls. Okay, Ryan. What's the best process for someone needing a project done? Who should they call first, you think?
I would say if they know that they're not doing actual plumbing work where they're going to be requiring the addition of a faucet, you know, like an internal faucet, like when they have to take a faucet out of the wall, then call up a handyman first. And if you know that you're going to need to have these more major items done, then you can bring them in on the back end. So long as you're not taking on a large project where you have to pull a permit, then you should be fine doing that as a home.
There's that magic word.
Permit, yeah.
Yep.
So are there any licenses or insurances or anything that you need to look out for with your handyman?
Even your handyman should have insurance.
Okay.
You know, and also there is a license for a handyman. It's a handyman license, and that's something that you should look for. I mean, does it necessarily mean you're going to be getting a quality handyman? No, it doesn't, because honestly, getting a license for a handyman really is just a matter of paying a fee. They're not doing testing, they're not doing any of that kind of stuff. So really use your references with people you know, hire somebody that somebody else has personal experience with. Because of the fact that you are dealing with somebody that doesn't require testing, you really need to know what that person's capable of before bringing them into your home.
Completely agree. Thanks, Ryan.
We're out. Ow. Hit me in the eye.
Many homes today feature large bathrooms with luxury spa baths and other amenities. Natural gas tankless water heaters can save you up to 70% on energy costs and provide you with an endless supply of hot water. Contact us today for a free in-home consultation.
Guess what time it is?
Gas factor of the day.
You guys, I love energy efficiency. And did you know that gas furnaces are 98% energy efficient?
Yeah, and they last 6 years longer than an electric heat pump.
6 years longer?
That's a lot of years.
That's a lot of dog years, too.
Yeah.
Not sure why that matters. For more information, please visit okaloosagas.com or walk into any one of their locations.
Thanks for watching Listed.
See you next time.